My son sometimes goes to his boss's property and does extra work for him, cutting trees and stuff, and it's off the clock and he's paid under the table. If he gets hurt, what protection does he have? Les?
Well, Selena, what protection does he have? It really depends. It depends on how he gets hurt. If he's hurt, is he hurt because of something he did? Or is he hurt because of something that the person who owned the property did? Property owners in Florida have an obligation to maintain their property in a safe manner. If there's any hazards on the property, they have an obligation to fix it. They have an obligation to warn about those hazards. And so if your son was injured because of some hazard or some dangerous condition on the property, then despite, regardless of who's paying him or why he's there or anything like that, if he's an invitee on the property, which it sounds like he would be, there's an obligation to make sure that the property is safe. If, on the other hand, he falls and hurts himself and it's nobody's fault at all, really it's really going to fall onto him, because it doesn't sound like under that sort of arrangement there's any sort of a workers' compensation coverage available. If he's paying him off the clock or paying him under the table, there's not going to be any sort of workers' compensation. And unless he's doing the type of work that would require there to be workers' compensation, there's probably not going to be any sort of landowner liability if it's just something that your son did himself and got hurt. So it really just depends. Like most questions, it's very fact specific. It's that I need to know more. I need more facts.